Hey y'all, Amy with Deep in the Art Creations here with another Temu unboxing. Okay, so here's my package. Go ahead and cut into it. Again, be careful where you're cutting. So I'm just going to take like a little snip and then put the end of my scissors in there. And make sure that you're only cutting just the very end here because of the way they package it. You don't want to cut into your products, because everything in there is just crammed in. And let's see what kind of goodies we've got this time. I believe this is my order with a lot of crafting materials. Yes, it is. Okay, let's see. First up, some painting brushes. Now, these look just like some more expensive ones that I buy for a fraction of the cost. I'm going to take them out and see what kind of quality they seem like. Obviously, I'm not going to use them right now, but I can update you after I've used them. They seem like a really good quality. You can see here lots of thick bristles there. It's a nice round brush. Comes to a tip. Let's see, the ferrule here that holds the brush together is on there great. As I give it a gentle tug. No bristles are coming out. I think this is a great buy. In fact, let me show you the ones that I get that are more expensive in comparison. Okay. So not the exact shape, but these are the brushes that I get that I spend quite a bit more on. And my Temu brush looks like it's just a rebranded of the same thing. Great buy here. I'm very excited by this. Okay. What else? Some more paint brushes here. Take these out. These are more like liner brushes for your detailed items. And again, we've got double packages. All right, let's see. I take this out. It is attached very well. A lot of times when you get cheap paint brushes, they just kind of fall apart. This ferrule part right here that holds it together will just slip in and out, and that's not a good sign. These are actually intact very well. The bristles look great as I give them just a gentle tug. Nothing's coming out. So I'm really excited about these as well. And if you'll notice, I have packages of them. They're different sizes, but the same basic brush, just different sizes. So this I'm excited about. And again, I'll update you if they turn out to not be as good as I think they are. But right now I'm excited. I think this is a great buy. So Temu's paintbrushes so far, very good. And if you watched one of my previous videos, I got some paintbrushes that were super great, but they were really short. So this time I did check the sizing on it. Just got to be careful when you're reading the descriptions. Okay, I also got a couple of these little value packs. I get these a lot of times at Hobby Lobby or Michael's to go in some paint kits and stuff. And I wanted to see what they're like on Temu to see if the quality is the same because they were a lot cheaper. Let's see. This actually is, I think a little bit better quality than what the ones that I get at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, because I do go for inexpensive because I'm trying to save money when I put my paint kits together so that I don't have to charge as much. And these, not super expensive, and I think it's a better quality. So I am excited about this order that I got. All right, and let's see. This pack came with 2 packages of these paint brushes, and each package has 10 brushes in it. So this is it. I'm really excited about this. All right, Temu is for the win this time. Oh, before I show you that one or open it, see, I got my normal brushes. This is the same thing, but as my other packs of brushes I get that same quality and much cheaper. I'm super excited by these. And I had one more pack. I got the filbert, the flat, and the round. So, and they're all from the same company. So I'm expecting the same quality. Again, I'll update you if it turns out not to be as great as I think it is, but I'm excited by that. Okay, now I took this box out. Let's see what it is. Are any of you like me when you get your Temu order? You've ordered so much stuff that it's like Christmas because you don't know what you're going to get. You can't remember. Oh, yes. I got these little sanding sponges for when I do napkin art. And they seem like they're going to do exactly what I need them to do. Nothing fancy there, but I'll give them a try. I'm pretty happy with this purchase because I don't always find these at the craft stores. And so I usually have to get them online anyway. And I think it's going to do exactly what I need. Super cheap. So, and this came in a package of 4. So that's a good buy so far. Oh, and more of the round brushes, the liners. I must not have realized. Oh, wait, no, these look like they might be different sizes. Some of them a little bit bigger, but basically the same thing. So, again, these brushes I am super excited about. Usually, I get a lot of stuff on Temu, and so usually there's 1 or 2 things that I'm not super excited about, but so far this order is a win. I may be jinxing myself. Let's see. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Okay. This, where did my scissors go? This is to hold my glue gun. And I browse on Temu a lot, y'all. So I hadn't really looked to see one of these anywhere else. And I just happened upon it on Temu and thought, well, of course I need that. Okay, so it comes with these 2 pieces. And let's see how we put it together. It looks as simple as, now watch, it's probably not, but here I go. Yep, clip that in. Okay, so it's got this like rubberized, maybe a silicone little insert here. That's where the glue will go. It's got these little suction cup feet, which I don't expect them to just make it stick to the table or anything, but it'll stand. That's great. All right, let's see what it does. Let's see if my glue gun even fits it. That was the one thing I wasn't sure about. So I stick my hand, and then I wouldn't even have to worry about this. I'll put that back a little bit. Stick my handy dandy. Oh, wouldn't you know? My glue gun does not fit in it. It was a great idea, though. I'm not sad about it because I do have other glue guns. I mean, what crafter doesn't have tons of glue guns? But it's a really cool concept. So, yeah, you win some, you lose some. But I'm not even going to consider this a loss. I'm excited by it for maybe one of my other glue guns. Actually, I'm going to try right now. Yeah, that's not going to fit either, because that's a big one. I have the mini glue guns too, though. I don't use those a lot, but I guess it would work for that. So, it's not a total win, but it's not a total loss. I like it. It's cool. So just know, if you get this on Temu, which I was excited about this, the barrel of your glue gun, the size matters. And I did not read for that. I just saw it and was like, that is super cool, and it wasn't expensive. So I clicked add to my cart. Does anybody else do that? Anywho, so if you get this, it seems like a really awesome deal. I may look for some on there that are for a bigger glue. It may even say it's for a mini glue gun, and I just didn't read it. Who knows? But it is not cheaply made. It's a sturdy thing, and it's super cool. I love this concept. I'm gonna have to find it for what I need. And I'll try it with my mini glue guns too. I just don't use those very often. What other goodies? Oh, that's it. That's all I got in this box. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.